by Mayank Khemka, and he asks, in the current market scenario, can a fund manager sell equities and sit on some cash, or are they compulsorily required to remain invested in equities only?
Well, if we go strictly by the investment mandate, which is written in the scheme information document of equity funds, well, then the fund managers do have the flexibility to move a portion of their assets in cash and equivalents. That's on what the stated allocation permits them to do. But in reality, the experience is that very few fund managers move into cash, and most of them prefer to remain fully invested. So barring say 2 to 5% of cash allocation that may be there in a fund in a steady state, beyond that, fund managers deter from taking any active cash calls. In fact, also in case of the few funds where time and again one sees a significant buildup of cash, those fund managers don't really attribute it to an active call on the markets that they are taking, but rather they suggest that that cash buildup is because of continuous inflows in the fund, and the fund manager not being able to find enough promising stocks at the right price. And this typically happens in runaway markets, where a fund manager may not find enough opportunities at the right price to deploy all those incremental inflows, which can lead to a buildup of cash in the portfolio, which then subsequently gets invested over a period of time. So yeah, a lot of investors, a lot of fund managers do not take a very active cash call. And in fact, there's a lesson there for retail investors that if fund managers avoid trying to time the markets, then for retail investors, the chances of hitting success by actively trying to time the markets is even slimmer, perhaps.